How to get AP in IMVU mobile. So if you want to get AP in IMVU mobile, then first you need to just go with your browser or your Google, and then you need to search for IMVU, go with the browser or go with the website. Now once you're under the website, you need to make sure that you've logged in. Go and log into your account, go with login, which is on the top right, and then enter your username or email address, enter your password, and then go with login. Now you just need to simply go with the top left, which has that 3-bar icon, and then scroll down, and you need to simply go with IMVU Classic website, and after that wait for it to load, and go with the account section, which is on the top. Once you tap on the account, you need to simply scroll down and go with the privacy and safety section, and tap on access pass. Now tap on the buy option, and after that select the package. You need to go with package, and after that go with your payment options and then go with checkout, and after that follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be able to get your AP in your IMVU mobile. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.